Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to log out of Viagogo. The first thing you need to do is to go to the Viagogo web app. How do you do that? Launch in a browser of your choice and open the Viagogo web app at viagogo.com on that browser. Now, once you're signed in using your account credentials, of course, it's going to take you right into this home page. From the home page, head over to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. Now, once you hover the cursor over the profile, you're going to see a drop-down menu including My Hub, Settings, and Sign Out. So from this drop-down menu, all you need to do is to click on Sign Out. I don't want to sign out because I just want to keep teaching you in this tutorial, but from here, just click on Sign Out. And once you click on Sign Out, that's it. Without further ado, you will be logged out of your Viagogo account and redirected to the home page or the login screen, where you'll be required to log in again using your account credentials. I'd like you to know that you should ensure to log out if you're using a public or shared device for security purposes. So if it is not your personal device and you don't want people to know what is going on in your Viagogo account, ensure that once you're done performing all the actions you want to perform in Viagogo, follow through the steps and sign out. Now, this is pretty much the straightforward, accurate process for logging out of Viagogo. Now you can go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search and you got so much value from this.